Hi, this is Miss Keys. Today you guys are going to watch a video about some of the basic vocabulary of circles. So make sure that you guys write these vocab words and their definitions down somewhere that you can refer back to. Okay, first one is a circle, and this is a set of points that are equidistant, which means the same distance away from a given point. The way that we would name this circle is you could either say circle and we name it by the center point, so this would be circle A, or you can draw a circle with a dot in the middle and write A. That also stands for circle A. So those are two different ways that you can name a circle. Next is the center of the circle. The center is the given point from which all points on a circle are the same distance. So point A would be considered the center of the circle. Radius. Radius is the distance from the center to any point on the circle. So for example, right now, we have a radius, and the way that we would name this radius is segment AB. So we would do capital A, capital B with a line on top of it to show that it is a segment. I could also draw another radius on here, again starting from the center point and going out to any point on the circle. So if I labeled this C, we would have another radius called AC, again with the segment bar on top of it. A chord is a segment whose endpoints are on the circle. So as we can tell right here, we have one endpoint which is on the circle, which is A, and we have another endpoint on the circle, which is B. So similar to the radius, I'm going to name the chord the same way. So if I name this one, this chord would be AB with the segment bar on top of it. Let me draw in another chord for you. So if I plot this point on the circle and label it C, and then I'm going to go across, I'm going to hit the other edge of the circle and call that D. That chord would be named CD with a line on top of it to show it's a segment. Diameter. The diameter is a chord that contains the center of the circle. So before we had a chord which endpoints were on the circle, which is similar to this one. So AB is actually considered a chord, but when the segment actually goes through the center of the circle, it's now called a diameter. So the way that we would name this diameter is by its two endpoints, which would be segment AB. Tangent, or it's also called tangent line, is a line segment or array that intersects the circle at a single point. So here it touches the circle just at this point P, and we have a line. And the way that I would name this tangent line is using the two letters we have here, L and P. So I would name it line LP, and to show that it's a line, I'm going to show the segment with the double arrows on top of it. So again, a tangent line only touches the circle at one point. Point of tangency is the point that touches the circle and the tangent line. So the only point that touches the circle and the tangent line is this point right here, P. So point of tangency would just be point P for this example. A secant is a line that intersects a circle at a It intersects a circle at exactly 2 points. So we have points A and point B is where that line touches the circle. So the way that I would name this secant is, since it's a line, I'm going to use the line symbol, and I'm going to use the 2 points that are on that line. So A, B, with the line symbol on top of it. And this is the end of the video.